afraid to fall in love.
How you're doing? Hope you guys are doing great. My OGs, thank you for always watching my video. Thank you for always sticking around. And my new subscribers and those that are yet to subscribe, guys, welcome on board. This is Nono Obi. You're welcome to this channel. Just subscribe, join the family. Okay, how do I look? Yeah, I know I look fine. Thank you. So guys, I'm in the venue and I'm going in. Like I said, I'll give you guys updates if I can actually get a video or not. Yes.
She said, baby, I'm afraid to fall in love. So what if it's not reciprocated? I told her don't rush, girl, don't you rush.
So guys, in this section they were actually taking a camera of my teeth. Like, as soon as I stay this way, they are able to see the whole of my teeth, the sides and everything. Well, technology is just so cool. So guys, this is me here. I'm about to start my tooth surgery like I promised you guys. So thank God I was able to deliver. So you guys are gonna just enjoy the process. I'm in a very safe place. Of course I'm going to have an injection, of course, that will help me with the pains. Yes, I'm also going to have the description in case you want to have your teeth done or something like that. But that will be after this video, guys. So just don't worry, I'll be fine. Guys, I'm gonna do voiceover video in this section because of so many background metals and all. So in this section, they're actually giving me injection in the area that the surgery will be carried out, and they also washing my teeth. In fact, they are basically prepping the area so that the surgery so that they can carry out the surgery, guys. Yeah, and I won't say it's painful. It's not painful, it's painful. Just the fact that needle is going into your your mouth and all, but I don't think it's that much painful because the doctor was so professional. So I wasn't thinking, I didn't have the pain when they were injecting me the way I thought I was supposed to, because it was so professional, guys. Yes, I'm telling you guys.
Sweet love
guys, this is part of the teeth that was brought out. They are still, of course, still the surgery is still going on. This is the teeth that they brought out for us, and well, in this place they were saying it's so big and all, but I don't know, I didn't see it as something that was big. So they are still, of course, carrying out the surgery to bring out other stuff. Remember, this surgery is a wisdom tooth removal. In this part they are stitching the place where the surgery was carried out. Yes, I don't know whether they were stitching the teeth, sorry, the skin around the place they removed the root of the teeth. Maybe it's loose or saggy or something. Maybe that's where they are stitching back. Yeah, so that is it. They said the teeth is so big, and they also brought out something extra beside the wisdom tooth that was swollen. They said they would take it to the lab, and the lab will confirm what it is, and they will get back to me. I just like the fact that they are taking someone's life so seriously. It's not like okay, whatever, this side is swollen, so we'll throw it away, whatever, it doesn't mean anything. No, but you know, they are so particular about everyone's life. Nobody is special than the other. So once they confirm on whatever the swollenness is in the lab, they'll get back to me. But me, I know there is nothing much in it, because even before I came for that surgery that very day, I was having pains on that area as always. So I just think maybe it's the redness or the swollenness of the area that was still, of course, affecting the place. So that's basically what I think. I don't think there is anything that is going to show on the lab concerning the swollenness around the area. Yeah.
She said, baby, I'm afraid to fall in love. So what if it's not reciprocated? I told her